Our relationship with Heinz goes back well before our work here with them in Vancouver. We've done work with them in Calgary at 8th Ave Place. We've done work with them in Toronto at 81 Bay and 141 Bay. So what that means is we knew who Heinz was. They're an incredibly sophisticated, strong, multinational developer. Before they got involved in 1166, it was Reliance, a local developer, a strong developer, who we'd started building a relationship with several years ago. And the resistance we got there was that EllisDon's this big contractor. We work in healthcare, we work on the super projects and wouldn't be interested in an 1166. Heinz, helped, I think, get us over the edge there.
EllisDon has been involved nationally with Heinz over the last 5 to 10 years on some of Heinz's most complex projects right across the country. All of these projects, I think, have really proven EllisDon's ability to execute and really has opened the door to EllisDon being invited to bid the job.
For each pursuit, we need to develop a strategy. We need to understand the client's needs, their objectives, what they're trying to achieve, how we're going to be evaluated, what are the project's specific challenges. We also need to understand who our competition are. And then we need to take a step back and look at EllisDon and determine what are we bringing to the project that's going to benefit the client that our competitors don't. And that's how we differentiate ourselves. The process itself requires an incredible amount of collaboration. That includes, estimating the pre-construction team, the project team, superintendents, PMs, among others, and really drawing on everybody's expertise and input into how we respond to the RFP.
So we didn't go in with boilerplate responses or stock answers to questions in an interview. Our strategy was very much to talk to them about the project-specific risks and not just identify them, but talk about how we could best manage those risks. Because they know what they're getting, they know what they want, and they want a GC that can take that risk and manage it properly. So our strategy was to show them that ability, show them the plan, and then prove that we could execute it. And I do think that's why we were successful in that project.
I think one of the things that really makes the pre-construction process successful is when we can engage the delivery team during the pre-construction phase. And it's something we've been able to do on 1166 West Pender, which I think has made the project successful to date. So Jamie Close and his team came on at a pretty early stage in pre-construction. I think one of the key benefits of this is it allows the team to take the knowledge from pre-construction and carry that through to the execution.
The estimating handover process on this project has been great. Basically, estimating has been involved from RFP submission back in August of 2021, all the way through right up until now. We're submitting the GMP here early November, and it'll continue to be involved as we hand over and transition to the execution of the project. The demolition of the project is something that we're not really used to doing that often at this scale of like a high-rise building. But I think we're going to start seeing that a lot more, especially in the downtown core of Vancouver, where we don't really have any land left, and it's really going to be knocking things down to build back up again. Heinz really hires EllisDon because they know we can execute, and that's what we've done across the country and why they kind of keep coming back to us.
Heinz to date, I think I've been really impressed with the work EllisDon has been doing on 1166 West Pender. I think this opens up a lot of doors for us here locally. And I know from talking with Heinz that they're also sussing out a lot of different opportunities on the market to acquire new real estate to redevelop. So it puts us very much on the forefront of those opportunities as well.